Hey everyone, Kayla here, and I'm excited to see your interest in Dripify, the most trusted sales automation tool transforming lead generation for thousands of businesses worldwide. Today, I'll be showing you how to add leads from Sales Navigator to your Dripify campaigns. Let's dive in and see how it all works in practice. As you already know, you can add leads either when creating a new campaign or by going to an existing campaign and adding leads there. Let's upload leads to an existing campaign. So, we pick our campaign, and under the Audience tab, we click Add Leads. If you have a premium LinkedIn account like Sales Navigator, you know that it offers separate search pages with additional filters and advanced sales features. Dripify is 100% compatible with this account type. So, we're selecting LinkedIn Sales Navigator as our source of leads. Then, we go to the Sales Nav search and filter our leads. How about we look for Chief Marketing Officers? In the US, who've recently changed jobs. Great, we've got our audience. An important thing to note in Sales Navigator is that even if this search page shows you millions of LinkedIn profiles, you can only see 99 pages with 25 profiles on each page, so it's a bit less than 2,500 profiles that you can actually view, while all other profiles remain inaccessible. Since we can only view and retrieve that number of profiles, I always suggest using additional filters to narrow down the audience to not more than 2,500 profiles, as that's the maximum number you can add to a Dripify campaign from Sales Navigator. We've got less than that, so we're good. Now we copy this URL. Go back to Dripify and paste the URL into the field. Perfect. Dripify confirms that the link is valid. Now you decide how many profiles to add. You can choose the max, which remember is a bit less than 2,500 for Sales Navigator, or a specific number. We'll add the max. Go to the next step by clicking Next. Give a name to our list. And that's it. The list is created. Now, Dripify will start transferring leads from Sales Navigator to our Dripify campaign and adding them to the sequence. Note that this process takes some time, especially if the list is quite big, so you can sit back and let Dripify handle everything for you. That's all I wanted to show you today. Now you know how easy it is to populate your prospecting campaigns with leads from Sales Navigator. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to receive valuable prospecting insights and LinkedIn hacks we'll share in future videos.